This will be a quick tutorial for the people who are just starting out or someone who's thinking about becoming an editor. I know you want to quickly learn how to be good at editing, but before anything, you have to learn the basics. You can go on and add those special effects, transitions and stuff, but if you don't know this one basic technique, your edits will always look stiff and boring to watch. This technique I speak of is just a simple zoom in or zoom out. It's subtle in some edits, but you will truly be able to tell the difference. Now let's begin. Get your clips, click on the first one, and add a little time remap by going to Speed, press Curve, then Custom, and adjust the graphs like this in case your clips doesn't merge together smoothly already. I'm using a Twixtor clip here. If you want to learn how to make one, you can check out the tutorial I made on that at the top right corner. After you're done with the first clip, do the same with the other. Also, if you have any editing tutorial request, all you have to do is subscribe and comment it in the comment section. Now go to the second clip and add a keyframe at the beginning and end of it. On the end keyframe, zoom in and move the clip over a bit. You will know whether you should zoom in or out, or move it left or right based on how the character moves. It can also be based on if you zoomed in or out on the clip before the other one. Now what you want to do is add the linear graph on it. Go towards the middle and add a beat, then drag it like so. Little tip, always check over as many times as needed. If it's to your liking, you can now continue adding whatever else you want to add and finish your edit. As I mentioned earlier, subscribe and comment if you have any editing tutorial requests. Doing so can help make more videos to upload, which then I can continue uploading around every Wednesday or so. Also give me a like if you found this helpful because it can help me out as well. Thanks for watching.